Welcome. I'm going to show you how to edit the JPEG and PNG version of the 12 Layout Canvas Mockup Bundle in Pixlr. So first, go to any web browser and go to pixlr.com, Pixlr.com, and there's a free and a paid version. We're going to use this playful free version. And then the first thing you want to do is we want to open up one of the background images. So we'll go to Open Image, and you'll have 6 background images here as JPEGs. Just open up whichever one you want. Use the original size, and then navigate to this little Add Image icon at the bottom here. Click Browse, and then find one of the PNG layouts that you want to use. Click Choose, and it'll ask you whether you want to create a new document or add it to the current. Let's go with Add Current. And now our layout's together, so we just want to add the art. So we'll go to Browse again, find your art, we'll add it to the current. Now we need to size it down. So we'll click on one of these corners, and just drag. And we can press Command plus on a Mac or Control plus on a PC to zoom back in. We want to find the next art. So we'll add that to the current. And then go through the same thing where we click the corner and drag to size it down. And then when you're satisfied with that, you just want to click the Save button here. And it's going to give you several options to save it as JPEG, PNG, PXD. You're probably going to want to save it as a JPEG for use as a thumbnail on Etsy and places like that. I use the highest quality at 100% and just click Download. And it'll tell you it was saved to your default download folder. And then it'll actually give you an option to change that folder if you want to do that. Right now it seems to be thinking. And hey, it's downloaded. Woohoo! So if you want to create your own layout now, what you do is you use one of the one-up canvas layouts. So just go to this little Add Image icon and browse. We'll add that to the current. And then we'll click the corner and drag to resize it to whatever size we want. And then we'll go and click on this little 3-dot icon in the Layers panel on the right hand side, and it'll give us a handful of icons. You want to click on the one that's 2 rectangles that says Duplicate Layer when you hover over it. And it's going to show us a little spinning beach ball, and hey, it finally did it. And click on that as many times as you need to. And then make sure the Move tool is selected here, where it has 4 arrows and then it says Arrange when you hover over it. And just move the canvases to where you want them. It's going to think a little bit about what we're doing. There we go. And then when you've moved them around and you're satisfied from where they are, you can just go through the steps to add your art. You know, click this Add Image button, add it to the current document, and then size it down again. And then of course you'll go back to the Save button and save it as a JPEG. And if you want to, you can save it as a PXD as well, and it'll download it. And then you'll be all done. And please let me know if you have any questions. And don't forget to like and subscribe so you'll be notified of future videos. And this Canvas Mockup Bundle and other mockups are available at melissabmockups.com. Thank you and have a great evening.